What's up you guys, I am AGM4K and this video will be focused on iMovie. So I will cover almost everything you need to know about this app for iPhone and iPad to create your videos and editing them on this software. So starting with how to make a project, import your photos and the videos, how to cut a video, how to add text, transitions, music, sound effects, and even how to color grading on iPad or on mobile in general. So this will be the best tutorial you've ever seen about iMovie. This is the home page right now. Let's start iMovie. And this is the first thing you will see, the projects. It will be empty, of course, but if you want to start a new project, you will click on the plus button. So now we have two options, movie or a trailer. So we will choose movie, of course. It says combine videos, photos and music to make your own movie, and that's what we want. So now we should choose videos or photos that we want to work with on this project. I will choose only this video and then click on create movie in the bottom. So this is the timeline that we see right now, and everything we will do will be in this section, in the timeline section, almost everything we need to know. And we can stretch the timeline by just doing this or that, to stretch the timeline, just to give you an idea how you can do it. So now let's go to the recording. So now let's cut some unnecessary parts of the video right there. Like this part, I want to cut it. So what I will do, I just click on the timeline video, and then I have these buttons in the bottom: actions, speed, volume, and I have titles, and even I have filters. So in action, I have split and duplicate. Split will cut the video in that spot where the timeline is. So I will click split, and now I have two videos in my timeline, and I have in this eye in the middle, and this is the transition. I can edit the transition in there. So to edit a transition, just click on the eye between two clips and then choose the transition you want. We have none, no transition, theme, dissolve, slide, and wipe, and fade. So I will choose slide, and I have the time of the transition like 0.5 second, 1 second, 1.5 second, and 2 second transition. So I will choose 0.5 and leave it on 0.5. And then we have sound effects. So this is the sound will come up with the transition. If you want the sound of transition, you can turn it on or leave it off without any sound, just a smooth transition, visual transition. So now we create the transition, and now we cut a clip. This clip on the right, I want to trim it down. So just click on it and drag the yellow parts of the video from right to left or from left to right, like that, and now you are cutting and trimming the clip. So let's trim it from that side. So that's cool. And now let's see the video again. So it's nice slide transition. So now how you can add text to this clip right here. Just click on the clip, and then we have titles in the bottom. Choose titles, and now we have all these different titles we can use. I will go with the pop-up or with none, this style, and then I will choose the position in the opening, middle, closing, so in the middle, and then type on the text in the viewer, and then write anything you want. So this is example text, done. So now we have a title in this clip right here. We can see the position of it, it's in the lower third. So now I want to add music to all this video I've created. Just click on the plus button on the top right, and then choose audio, and then we have soundtracks and sound effects. So let's click on sound tracks. Now we will see all these different songs we can use in our videos. Like this is one of them. So now I want to use this. Just click on the plus button, and now we have the audio add to the timeline. So let's play the video again. So now let's talk about color grading. You cannot color grading directly in iMovie, but there is a way to do it. You can go to the Photos app and then click on the edit button. And now you can adjust almost a lot of things right here. Highlights, exposure, shadows, contrast, brightness, saturation. You can do a lot of these color grading techniques you want to use, and then import the color grading already processed photos to the iMovie and then edit. So this way will be somehow confusing for a lot of people. You will going to do color grading first, then editing, and this only because the iMovie on the iPad doesn't support color grading. But if you and that's it about iMovie. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.